So level 80, this is above MSA in this area.
Yes.
That's okay.
128, 3D5, Roxette, bonne journée.
Yeah. RIP 2. Yeah, very good. So you said we should expect a shortcut, huh? Let's see.
Probably after RIP 2.
Goof. Yeah, but we still could. Huh? Do they offer short approaches, like via 5 miles or so? Do you know that?
Last time we were cleared from 2,000 feet.
From 2,000? Wow, 2,000 feet?
2,000 or 2,500.
Okay, so they offer short approaches.
Yes.
Okay, good to know.
Lyon, il faut que Hotel Kilo sur India, bonjour.
Hotel Kilo sur India, bonjour.
Yeah, they offer no visual approach, but short approach would be also good. So,
Hotel Kilo Sierra India, vous pouvez monter dès à présent à altitude 4500 pieds, transit approuvé en espace 1, classe Charlie 37.
There's the first nuclear power plant.
yeah, yeah, see that.
4500 pieds dès à présent, et 37-30, transpondeur Hotel India, merci.
5, yeah, let's see. So RIP 2 plus 70, so we
Alpine
got
128,
that.
Lima, descend altitude 5000 feet, QNH is 1016.
Descend 5000 feet, QNH 1016, Alpine 178, Lima.
So 25, come on, let's take an open descent, huh, for possible shortcut.
Yeah.
Thrust idle open descent, Alp Blue 80.
Another small airport here.
Yeah.
Landing lights are coming on.
Checked.
Approaching.
Yeah.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, 5 degrees to the right, descend 5000 feet, 1016.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, right by 5 degrees, descending altitude 6,000 feet on QNH 1016.
Uniform Bravo, 5000 feet.
5,000 feet, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Okay, 5,000, 1016, good. I get it. 5,000 blue, thrust idle, and we are now on heading and altimeters.
QNH 1016, 9,200 feet.
1016, 9,200 feet. And sequence flight plan, direct, I would say that takes the Lima Sierra November 69. What do you think about that?
Lima Sierra.
Yeah, that's 3,000.
Why not? Why not?
And then radio in.
Yeah. 174.
Yeah. So we have visual contact with the ground, and we are still above MSA, and we're coming into that 14 miles circle in just a moment. There's the minimum MSA is 3,200 over there.
Checked. Approaching.
Approach Alpine 9044, taxiing down Alpha 6, ready for departure.
Alpine 9044, bonjour Alpha 6, clear line up, clear takeoff, runway 35 left, please count.
Speed, vertical speed.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35 left, Alpha 6, Alpine 9044.
So he's doing everything, approach, tower,
Looks like.
and ground.
Si vous signalez, puis quitter, au revoir.
Merci beaucoup, au revoir. Alpine 178 Lima, 5000 feet, request lower.
178 Lima, descend 3000 feet, cleared ILS approach, runway 35 right, free speed.
3000 feet, QNH 1016, clear for the LS 35 right, free speed, and for information, we'll...
There's already the airport.
Yeah.
Side step
Inside.
for runway 35 left,
Thank you.
Alpine
1000 to go.
No.
Speed, ask me again once it's established on ILS 35 right, please.
Yes, we'll do Alpine 178 Lima.
Hey, can you ask him for any speed control today?
Yeah. Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo is later on final approach any speed control for us, or can we fly free speed?
C'est bonjour.
Free speed for Uniform Bravo.
Merci, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Very good, thank
Very
you.
nice.
That's good. Yeah, there's one airplane ahead of us, I think. This is the minus 1000. Speed als star, which is about
He cleared them for the ILS.
14 miles out. Huh?
Yes.
But I think it makes sense to slow down now. Huh? That's
Maybe, yeah.
By
Maybe,
9044 identified, resort 2 November, climb level 140.
02 November, climb flight level 140, about 9044.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, descend 4000 feet.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo descending 4000 feet.
Thrust idle open descent, blue 4000.
There's the other aircraft.
Inside.
The localizer.
Thank you.
35 left.
Confirm up on 178 Lima.
78 Lima, make visual approach runway 35 left, call me back established.
Visual approach runway 35 left, will call Alpine 178 Lima.
Yeah, we could do the same thing. If he is offering us a 35 left approach later on,
Yeah.
it's a longer runway and shorter taxi. Huh?
Yeah.
And maybe you can tell him that we are interested in a short approach, and he
Yeah.
can just give us a turn. Huh?
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, yeah, we are able short approach if you like.
For Uniform Bravo, turn left heading 240.
Confirm right heading 240, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Sorry, my mistake, turn right heading 240, descend 3000 feet.
Right heading 240, descending 3000 feet, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Okay, thrust idle, open descent, altitude 3000, and heading now is 240 with a right turn.
That's confirmed.
Yeah, and 3000 is below MSA, but color coded, not a problem.
That's confirmed.
Alpine 178
to go.
Lima, wind is calm, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 35 left, Alpine 178 Lima.
Check.
Alpine 178 Lima, please call me back on tower frequency 12045.
12045, Alpine 178 Lima.
Like you said, he's doing everything.
Yeah, everything.
Alpine 178 Lima on flag.
178 Lima, copy, radio 5 and you are still clear to land 35 left.
Runway 35 left, Alpine 178 Lima.
Eurowings 4 Uniform Bravo, turn right heading 320, intercept and clear, that is approach 35 right.
Eurowings 4 Uniform Bravo, right heading 320, cleared as approach, runway 35 right.
Speed Alstar, glide slope, and localizer blue, Cat 3 dual, AP1 and 2.
26705, Alpine 9344, bye.
The airport elevation is so high, it looks very close to the ground.
Yeah. But we're still about 1700 over the ground here. Huh? Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Lockstar.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, calling back on tower frequency 12045, please.
12045, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2. Tower low again, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, ILS runway 35 right.
Four Uniform Bravo, your number 135 right, wind is calm, 35 right, clear to land.
Runway 35 right, clear to land, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Yeah, gear down.
And yeah, passing 6.9 at DMV Lima Sierra November,
Contact
3000 feet.
sur la fréquence.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
And flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
And set go on altitude
5000.
please.
5000 is set.
Thank you.
And VLS check.
Please.
113 on the VLS in my box.
Yeah.
Looks fine.
You want to ask for a swing over?
I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, is there any chance to get a swing over to runway 35 left?
Four Uniform Bravo, clear the visual approach runway 35 left, calling back established.
Cleared for the visual approach, runway 35 left and Wilco Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Flight directors off.
Line
Flight directors off and have fun.
Bird on. And set runway track.
Runway track 254.
Yeah, and if you want, you can choose the other runway in the MCDU.
Yeah.
Just the runway. Five left.
Inserted.
Thank you.
Should I switch off the landing system also?
Yes, please. And if I didn't say ICA memo landing no blue.
Landing no blue.
Yep. And I think, can you sequence the flight plan a little bit? That
Yes,
would be
of course.
nice. If you just make the two-way point. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Perfect, thank you. So runway is two-way point. Perfect. That looks good.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, wind is calm, runway 35 left, clear to land.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, clear to land, runway 35 left.
1000.
Check.
Checked.
Yeah, perfect. All done. We're stabilized. Runway 35 left is ahead.
Exactly.
And it looks good. Yeah. 2.5 to touchdown. 1600 feet. That's perfect.
Yes.
With 800.
That's very nice.
Yeah, that's
Descent rate is very nice.
all good.
Perfect.
Almost no wind. All good.
$300. $200.
Yeah, continue. Huh?
130. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Spoilers. Reverse. Green. Decel.
Manual brakes.
70 knots.
Checked.
This was like break to vacate.
Yes.
Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, call ground 1183, bye bye.
1183 Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo, goodbye. Ground, good morning Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Going for Uniform Bravo, bonjour. Taxi Tango Charlie now, your stand is Charlie 61.
Via Tango Charlie to stand Charlie 61, Eurowings Four Uniform Bravo.
Tango Charlie, so we go to the left now. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Alpine 31
And
November
then
Tango,
there is
ready,
Tango
please contact
Charlie
over
coming on the right hand
120,
side.
That should be yes. When we are the next.
Par noir, c'est le 32-24 qui veut la mise en route.
So, Alpha 5. The first should be Tango Bravo, correct? And then there's Tango Charlie. Okay, we got it.
Alpine November Tango, when ready, please call tower 120450, bye bye.
Ready, 10450.
So turning
Alpine 31 to the Tango right.
now to this one to the right.
That's
huh?
correct.
So, and there's a Charlie 61.
Yes.
I got that. So we just continue here along that line until we see Charlie 61, huh?
Yeah. So we have 3 minutes.
Yeah, simulate any taxi in start procedure.
Yep.
There's Charlie 61,
61, 61 confirmed.
So 41, 42,
And there's a marshaller already.
inside. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So lights are already off.
Very nice.
And let's see. Yeah, that's good. So I think we start to turn now.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what he says. Shows.
I let the APU bleed off
Yeah.
because of
Sure,
the
I got it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, keep it off. You need to wait a little bit.
Yep.
With the bleed. Parking brake is on. Continue procedure.
cabin crew, all doors in park.
Parking checklist whenever convenient.
Parking, engines,
Off.
radar PWS,
Is off.
fuel pumps,
Off.
parking brake.
Is on for the time being.
Parking check is complete.
How did you like it?
I liked the descent from your side. It was a long time idle segment. I liked it really much.
Yeah.
So you had to only put the thrust levers forward at the end.
Yeah.
And you configured the aircraft.
Thank you.
And thereafter the swing over was very nice.
It was nice, huh?
Yeah.
It was a shorter taxi for us, a longer runway, always
Really,
nice.
really economic.
Really economic, and
very good flown.
yeah. Thank you
I
so
liked
much.
it.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, ground.
Good morning, Cockpit, go ahead.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, we're doing great. Can you confirm that shocks are in position?
Yes, the truck is in place.
Okay, then we can the shocks are in position. Confirm.
I confirm.
Okay, then we can release the brake.
Yes, you can.
Okay, brake is released. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
See you.
wonderful day. Thank you.
See
Thank
you later.
Did a great job together. So
Yes.
appreciate that. And so thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
that
much.
nice flight.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day. This is Lyon Saint-Ex. Information November. Reported at 0605 UTC. Expected approach ILS runway 35 right. Landing runway 35 right. Take off runway 35 left. Expect departure to November. Runway 35 left, runway condition code 666, issued at 0340 UTC. Try. Runway 35 right, runway condition code 666, issued at 0340 UTC. Try. Transition level 60. Bird strike risk low. Wind calm. Present weather, haze okay. Temperature 2.14. Quebec November Hotel 1016. Inform Lyon Saint-Ex at first contact that you have received information November. Bonjour, ici Lyon Saint-Ex. Information November, enregistré à 0605 UTC. Approche, ILS, piste 35 droite. Piste à l'atterrissage, 35 droite. Piste au décollage, 35 gauche. Itinéraire de départ prévu, 2 novembre. Piste 35 gauche, état de surface code 666, publié à 030 UTC, sèche. Piste 35 droite, état de surface code 666, publié à 030 UTC, sèche. Niveau de transition, 60. Risque aviaire faible. Vent calme. Temps présent, Cavoquet. Température, 16. Point de rosée, 14. Québec Novembre Hôtel, unité 0, unité 6. Informez Lyon Saint-Ex au premier contact que vous avez reçu information November.